As a recently launched product, this Bergman Street 125EX is actually Suzuki's answer to the clamor of the market. It has a 12-inch rear tire, it has an extended length, and it also has more elegant features and styling.
Ang expectation ko sa Suzuki Bergman is yung grabing comfort niya. Mamaya sa ride matitesting namin yan.
I'm expecting this to be a very comfortable ride. Chill ride lang siya. Bagay na bagay sa Bergman Street EX kasi mas ma-highlight niya yung ride comfort.
Good morning, everyone. Please enjoy all participants to feel the new Bergman Street EX. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Sarap i-ride nung bagong Suzuki Bergman Executive kasi mas ramdam mo yung laro ng shocks niya, mas malambot siya, grabe.
It's just rolling on the not-so-paved road. It's a very nice performance. Kalmado. Of course, hindi na natin pag-uusapan fuel consumption.
Sobrang komportable. Unang-una nagulat ako sa ride niya. Naluba kasi ako kanina, so hindi siya tumutukod.
First, ang notice ko is yung handling. Sobrang ganda ng handling niya. And hindi ko nga actually napansin na we've been riding for more than an hour. So, thumbs up for me.
It gave us a good experience, not only going through the city streets, but also in traversing rough roads here in Batangas.
Tahimik, ang lakas ng power, yung torque. At saka syempre yung usual kong tanong, abot ko siya kahit for a vertically challenged na girl, kayang-kaya siyang i-ride.
Sobrang chill, sobrang relax lang. And ngayon lang ako naka-handle truthfully ng scooter na napakatahimik and napakabait.
Actually, to tell you the truth, this is the very first 125cc that gives you that maxi scooter feeling na talagang magiging feeling executive ka, panalong-panalo.
Bergman Street EX is the executive talaga na feel kasi lahat ng tao nakatingin sa amin. Kasi maganda siya, maganda yung colorways niya, maganda upuan niya. Tsaka na-experience namin yung idle stop pa lang na during traffic na sobrang tagal na hindi mo alam kailan mag-green. Kasi from morning hanggang middle of the afternoon na kami dumating dito, full tank pa rin yung Bergman ko.
Mararamdaman mo yung first class riding experience sa kanya. Isa pa, sobrang tipid sa gasolina.
The ride was great. We went through twisties, partial dirt roads, and tight switchbacks.
Bilhin niyo yung motor kasi sobrang mag-i-enjoy kayo. If you like the old Bergman Street, mas magugustuhan niyo tong Bergman Street EX.
This is definitely the ride that I would be getting kasi ibang-iba yung feel. Yun nga, executive yung feel pag naka-Bergman EX ka.
I highly recommend itong bagong Suzuki Bergman Street EX.
Sobrang ganda. Kasi talagang first time ko nakasakay ng yate yesterday. And yung treatment pang VIP talaga yung ginawa nila sa amin dito. Like yung food, ang sarap.
First time ko sumama, napaka-accommodating ng Suzuki. So overall yung experience the best, sana maulit.
Napakasaya. Maraming salamat Suzuki dahil hindi namin na-expect to ni Buhawi at ni Kisha Vlogs. Suzuki Philippines, we thank you.
Maraming salamat ulit Suzuki and more power and sana marami pang ganitong klase ng mga event.
Looking forward for more rides to come from Suzuki. Congratulations. Thank you.
Gusto nating imbitahan kayo na itry yung aming bagong Bergman EX. And of course, yung aming Bergman Standard ay available pa rin sa market dahil oras na para magmotor.